in the locker room. We're going to start the first series on offense, defense, and special teams. We're not going to wait till the second series to try to fix. Set that right now. Hey, 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's a spectacular day in Ohio at a place they call the Jungle. Will this battle of cats get the Jags back to their winning ways?
White on white, baby. Good things happen. Good things happen.
Well, I think it's a must-win game. You're at 2-4. If you're going to get to the playoffs, you got to beat a team like the Bengals. Quite honestly, they're terrible.
Gardner Minshew has to be better. It was his worst performance of his young career. But if you want to get well against the Bengals, I expect a big day from Gardner today.
Who's going to make that big play now? Who's going to be the one? Let's go right here, right now. Let's be great, y'all. Right here, right now.
Cincinnati has punted 4 straight times. It's the 5th possession for the Jaguars. Minshew.
Well, you got to throw it to him.
And that's what he's going to do. And he's got a wide open DJ Chark, who got away from McCray and zips down that sideline.
Boy, that was bold by Gardner Minshew. Very bold. Because when he comes out of the pocket, he's got one of two things. An easy throw to Leonard Fournette to move the chains, or he can just keep it and run it. But he chooses to throw down the field to DJ Chark. And DJ does a great job of tight roping along the sidelines to get extra yards.
21-yard field goal try after we just had the first third down conversion of the game moments ago by either team. Lambeau's great, and there it goes. And Lambeau, with that field goal, the highest field goal percentage since 2017 in the NFL.
So here we go after the timeout. Shotgun. Dalton drops. Throws it to the right side. That is going to be caught for the touchdown by Joe Mixon. The first touchdown of the game belongs to the Cincinnati Bengals, and they take the lead with 1:25 to play in the half.
They need the 29, 3rd and 15. Going deep. No one home there. Oh, and it was grabbed by D.D. Westbrook. What a catch.
Tony McRae thought he had an interception. I mean, that ball was coming right to him, and at the last second, out of nowhere, D.D. Westbrook just jumps up and plucks that in the air.
29-yard field goal attempt for Lambeau. Cook gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up, and the field goal is good.
Well, you've dominated every aspect of this game except for the scoreboard for the Jags. Right now, the Bengals are saying, hey, we're not playing very good, but we're winning and we get the ball first.
We've played 30 minutes. Cincinnati 7, Jacksonville 6.
Second down and 22 outside Boyd. First catch here. Slips by Allen. Staggers ahead. Ball not free. DJ Hayden made the hit. And it's a turnover, and it's picked up by Ronnie Harrison.
Handoff to Leonard Fournette. There's some running room inside the 40, inside the 35. Lumbers his way forward to the 33-yard line. First down, Jacksonville. Boy, good hard running by Leonard Fournette today and really all year long.
Lambeau. Field goals today at 21-29. This will be from 37. Winless day right down the middle.
Dropping is Dalton, looking to throw. Hit, and he's sacked. Josh Allen got him, the rookie, back near the 10-yard line of Cincinnati.
Every time. Yes, sir. That's what your speed does to tackles. Every time that way. It's a hell of a rush, kid. Welcome back to second half. It's about damn time you showed up.
We just got to finish, bro. We're doing the thing. Our boys open. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. It'll pop.
First and 10, 45 of Jacksonville. On across Conley. B.W. Webb can't get him. Chased by Bates. Look at Conley. Look at the block by Cole. And he takes it inside the 10. What a catch and run by Conley. Racing for 46. First and goal to go.
Minshew drops the throw. Fires to the right corner of the end zone. Wants Keelan Cole in the right corner of the end zone. Touchdown! Keelan Cole with the score, and Jacksonville has taken the lead.
Two.
It was an all-out blitz. The Bengals were bringing more than the Jaguars could pick up. You had a free rusher. Minshew recognized it, threw it to the back corner, and allowed Cole to run underneath it, and now they're going to go for 2.
Dropping again is Gardner. Goes to the back of the end zone. Chris Conley has it, and the 2-point conversion is good.
I'll be right back. Great job, man. Great job. I told you it was coming, right? I got you. I told you it was coming. Proud of you, bro.
First and 10. Dalton. Oh, it's picked off by Miles Jack. Dalton has thrown a crucial pick. He flips it back to Harrison. There goes a flag. Harrison winding his way up the sideline, gets by Cherry and knocked out of bounds.
Well, what a play by Miles Jack. He steps right in front of Tyler Boyd, reading the eyes of Andy Dalton.
I mean, you talk about an athletic play of undercutting the receiver, and it was not an easy interception. He had to reach and extend out like he was the wide receiver.
You know what? I tell you what, you're going to make me get old quick, dude.
Hey, you know when you like you practice how you play, you did that in practice.
Running back like that, you sound like, dude.
Dalton in a shotgun. He drops the throw against a 4-man rush. It's going to be a screen, and it is picked off by Yannick Ngakoue to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown. Pick 6. Yannick Ngakoue extends the lead for Jacksonville.
Can you hear the hammer pounding on the nails? That's the nail in the coffin for the Cincinnati Bengals in this ball game. And great pressure by Taven Bryan. They're trying to set up the screen, and Andy Dalton throws it up because Giovanni Bernard is not open, and Ngakoue reads it perfectly and just literally walks into the end zone for, boy, the first defensive touchdown of this season.
Hey, young. Hey, bro. Big players make big time games. Hey, that's a big play, baby. Put us on the map with that one, baby.
Another pick. This is Harrison. Logan Ronnie Harrison-Weed, second interception this season. Hit by Eifert, may have coughed up the ball. They say he was down. Jacksonville's got it. A third consecutive interception thrown by Dalton.
They'll count this thing down, and after 2 losses, the Jaguars back in the win column. They defeat the Cincinnati Bengals 27-17.
Hey, y'all scored a touchdown today. Y'all scored a touchdown today. We got everything, baby.